My dear friends, ICSE class 10th board paper mathematics question number 5. This is the question on histogram. Histogram is given and find the answers A, B, C. Now this is a histogram. What is given? This is height in centimeter and these are number of students. Now this is 6. You can write here 6. To make it easy, you write here. This is 2. This is 2. And this is in between 10 and 8. Midpoint, that is 9. And this is 14. And this is 12. This is 9 again. And this is 4. Number of students. Now, first part, the number of students whose height is 150 centimeter and above. तो जब भी हमने क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है पूरा सेंटेंस अच्छी तरह पढ़ना है. समटाइम व्हाट हैपन्स, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट हुज हाइट इज 150, लेकिन आगे भी लिखा है एंड अबव. 150 एंड अबव. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट 150 to 169, 160 to 174, 9 plus 4, 13. First part A. The answer is 13. B part. The model height. Model height क्या है हमारी? How to find the model height? जो हाईएस्ट रेक्टेंगल है, सबसे बड़ी रेक्टेंगल, इनको ज्वाइन करेंगे. आई कैन टेक द शेप. Now you join this to this and next this to this. Now point of intersection is approximate this. This is 137. The model height is 137. This is in centimeter. Model height is in centimeter 137. जो सबसे बड़ी रेक्टेंगल होती है उसको इस कॉर्नर को इस कॉर्नर से ज्वाइन करो और इस कॉर्नर को इस कॉर्नर ज्वाइन करो. जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन वहाँ से नीचे आ जाओ एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर एंड यू रीड दिस 130. ये 7th 137. इफ़ इट कम्स 136.5 और 130.5, this is 137.5 plus minus, the answer is correct. So C is what? The total number of students, you count it 6, you can write this 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 14, 6 plus 2 plus 9 plus 14 plus 12 plus 9 plus 4 plus 12 plus 9 plus 4. You can write 6 plus 2, 8 plus 9, 17. Now 14 plus 12, 26, 9 plus 4, 13. 17 plus 26, 43 plus 13, which is equal to 56. Now these are the answers of the parts A, B, C. A very simple question, question number 5. Question number 5, part second. A and B are two endpoints of a line segment AB intersect the x-axis at P. Find the ratio in which P divides AB and coordinates of the point P. Let the ratio be k is to 1 and P is a point on AB and P is where on x axis, P is on x axis. आपको पता है x axis के ऊपर y की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0. It means and let P be x comma 0. Now there are 2 points AB, A and B. A is minus 10, minus 2, B is 2 comma 10, and AB intersect x-axis at P. P is on the x-axis. This is of the type x comma 0 because on x-axis y की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 0. And let the ratio be k ratio 1. Now here bisection formula, bisection formula, you can give some gap. First you can write, to make it easy, x1 y1, x2 y2, and this is xy, and this is m1 m2, this is m1 and this is m2. Now bisection formula, x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now simple, you put the values of this is x, same as it is, equal to m1 is k, x2 is 2 plus m2 is 1, x1 is minus 10 upon k plus 1, which is equal to 2k minus 10 upon k plus 1. Here y value 0 is equal to m1 is k into y2 is 10 plus m2 is 1, y1 is minus 2 upon k plus 1. Cross multiply, 0 into k plus 1 equal to 10k minus 2, 0 equal to 10k minus 2, or you can say 10k minus 2 equal to 0, 10k is equal to k is equal to 2 upon 10 equal to 1 upon 5 equal to 1.5. Therefore ratio is equal to 1:5. एक आंसर आपको मिल गया रेशियो का. नाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, you can put the value of k here. Put k is equal to 1.5. So x is equal to 2 into 1.5 minus 10 upon 1.5 plus 1. Now take the LCM in the numerator and denominator also. The LCM of numerator 5, 2 minus 50 upon, in the denominator take the LCM 5, 1 plus 5. Both the denominators are same, you can cancel out, which is equal to minus 48 upon 6, which is equal to minus 8. We got the value of x minus 8. It means the point P is minus 8 comma 0. So you write P is equal to minus 8 comma 0. You can write here ratio is equal to 1:5 and P is equal to minus 8 comma 0. This is the answer. हमने यहाँ पर इसको रेक्टेंगल में डाल दिया, sufficient, but still you should write clearly at the end, ratio is this, P is this. This was question 5 का second part. Both the values of A and B, we got it. Okay. Now question 5, third part. Solve the quadratic equation x minus 2 whole square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0 and give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. Use the mathematical table for the question if necessary. अगर आपको किसी स्क्वायर रूट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो you can ask the mathematical table. It will be provided. Now question is x minus 2 whole square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 9x plus 1 equal to 0. Now factorize, इसके फैक्टर तो बनेंगे नहीं, स्प्लिटिंग में टर्म नहीं होगी. Whenever there is written the find the answer in up to 2 decimal place, up to 2 significant figure, it means जो आपका यहाँ पर कोई इक्वेशन आएगा उस कभी मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट नहीं हो सकती. It means you have to apply the formula. Now A is equal to 1 coefficient of x square, B equal to minus 9 coefficient of x, and C equal to 1 constant term. Find discriminant D. D is equal to B square minus 4AC, which is equal to minus 9 square minus 4 into value of A 1, value C is 1. This is 81 minus 4, which is equal to 77D. Now you apply the formula x equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, which is equal to the value of b is minus 9. This is minus and value is minus, so write in bracket value of d root 77 upon 2 into a, value of a is 1, which is equal to 9 plus minus root 77. Mathematical table में you can take the value of root 77, 8.775. This is 8.775 upon 2. Now solve the values. 9 plus 8.775 upon 2, 9 minus 8.775 upon 2. 9 plus 8, 17.775 upon 2. 2 at the 16.117, 2 at the 16, 117, 2 at the 16, 115, 2, 7 the 14. Now this you can write 9.000 8.775 minus 10 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 0. So this is equal to 0.225 upon 2. You can divide by 2, 0.1125. Up to 3 significant figure. Up to 3 significant figure. The answer will be up to this. Significant figure में हम इंटेग्रल पार्ट जो इंटीजर है वो हम काउंट करते हैं डेसिमल से पहले और ज़ीरो को काउंट नहीं करते हम. तो इसमें क्या आएगा, अब 3 significant figure mean up to this 8.8 and this is more than 5. 5 or more than 5 you can add 1 here, 8.89, and this is up to this 0.112. Next part is 5. 5 और 5 से ज़्यादा हो तो यहाँ 1 ऐड होता है. This is the answer. Now these are two answers. X is equal to 8.89 comma 0.113. This is the answer. This was question 5, third part. Now this was question 5. Please like it, share it and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks.